Referees and table committees are the line judge for today. Thank you so much. Maduro, pinasa kay Hina, but there was a service ace from Mr. Maduro. Table committee and referees are live for this game. Outside. 2 points lead by Raptors team. Maduro no service on second time, but there was an error. Okay, service. Mr. Lamonte. Naago ni Maduro. Nakaw ni Mr. Maduro once again. But there was service ace. There was a service ace once again by Mr. Lamonte. Ang score natin ngayon ay 4-2 in favor of Tigers. Maduro. Nakuha ni Maduro brother. Pinasa sa Bravo for Mr. Villiel. 5-2 in favor of Tigers. Lamonte. There was service ace once again by Mr. Lamonte. This error committed by Mr. Maite. Yeah. Service. Mr. Willow. Kay Mr. Maite Plaza Trasan. Mr. Mascarenas. What a spike by Mr. Rock Wilson Mascarenas on the team of Raptors. Maglalawin mula sa kang Marco. Binigyan bola. Binigyan ang bola ni Mr. Marco kay Mr. Lamonte. Hapon! One by Tigers. Nakuha ni Mr. Maduro kay Mascarenas over the ball. Mr. Lamonte kay Mr. Villamar spike. Kay Mr. Mascarenas with the toes. Mr. Vino was there and Mr. Hago set by Mr. Villamar. Mr. Mascarenas with the set of the open by Mr. Mascarenas back on the ball. Lamonte. But there was an error. Ang score natin ngayon ay 8-5 in favor of Tigers. Hinaw nakuha ni nakuha bola kay Mr. Maite. Maduro! Walang decision by Mr. Maduro. Hinaw. Nakalagay sa Mascarenas back over the ball of his screen. Service error by Mr. Hinaw once again. Ang score natin ay 10. 10-6. Magturo set with the open ball. Oh, there was. And not over for touches. Magturo. Bago Colorado. Mr. Magturo service. Service ever. Mr. Blooming on service area. Oh, there was a service area once more, both team. And it's going to be on 12-8 in favor of Tigers. Oh my God! Everything is good, but in moderation. Mascareñas got on outside. Service A. It's turned up here at 8:15 in favor of Tigers. Wow, the service is once again by Mr. Lamonte. And it's turned up here at 16-8 in favor of Tigers once again. Mascareñas back. There was a closing. How it closing. Mascareñas, kay Mr. Marte, kay Profile, Mr. Lamonte set with spike by Mr. Oh! There was a miscommunication by Mr. Marte and Mr. Lolo once again. And overfilling. 19-8 in favor of Tigers once again. Magturo high. There was a medical ship and citizenship called by our praised international referee, Miss B. Michelle. There was service ace once again, committed by Mr. Lamonte. And it's going to be like 21-8 in favor of Tigers. Oh my God! It's scored by Mr. Marte. Good ball. Mascareñas, nasa kay Mr. Bruhal, kay Mr. Lamonte, kay Hintang. Over the net by Hago din. Mr. Hago. Marte. Mascareñas. With a block by Mr. Hago. Ang score na kaya ay 1-9 in favor of Tigers. There was a service error committed by Mr. Patel. Point Raptors. 23-10 in favor of Tigers. Lorna, kay Marte, kay Mr. Lamonte, pinalo ni Mr. Hago, but there was an outside. 20-11 in service. Lola. Wow, so far winning Skyline to just Sky. Last. Martin. Mr. And off the percent. Win by Tigers on this